Once you start doing this with bananas, Garoto will hate me. In a small pan, add 200 g of heavy cream and 200 g of condensed milk. Then add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now mix it all well on low heat. Keep stirring until it reaches the perfect consistency. Once it thickens, remove it and let it cool on the side. In a larger, shallow pan, add 1 cup sugar and 6 ripe bananas. Stir until sugar melts. I'll also add some cocoa powder here. I use 2 tablespoons, but you can add more if you like. Stir until bananas melt completely and reach a sweet consistency. Look how perfect it turns out, folks. Let's set it aside in a frying pan or dish of your choice. Add all the brigadeiro we made at the start of the video. Spread it evenly across the bottom. Now let's add the banana jam on top. Next, I'll add 200 grams of melted semi-sweet chocolate. You can melt it in a double boiler or microwave. Pour it on top and spread it well. Now just pop it in the fridge to chill. Check out our quick and easy Caribbean bonbon dessert. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick dish from Poor Man's Kitchen. Big hugs, see you next time, and enjoy.